Welcome to Pratibha Tutorials. Please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Dear students, in this video we will learn how to calculate the HCF of two or more numbers. We can use different methods to calculate the highest common factor of the given numbers. The first method is by finding prime factors of the given numbers. For example, suppose we have two numbers, one is 140 and the other is 1600. We have to find the HCF of these two numbers. We find the prime factors of these numbers. Similarly, we can find the prime factors of 1600. This is 800, 400, 200, 100, thus we can write these numbers 140 as product of prime factors. This is 2 square into 5 into 7. And 1600 may be written as 2 raised to power 6 into 5 square. In order to find the HCF of these two numbers after prime factorization, we observe the common factors. Which are the common factors? 2 and 5 are common factors in both these numbers. For HCF, we select the common factor with the least powers, 2 square and 5, its exponent is 1, and product of these two is 20. The HCF of the two numbers is 20. We can also find LCM of the two numbers by prime factorization. After prime factorization, we observe the prime factors, and LCM of the two numbers is the product of common factors with the highest powers into 5 square and all other known common factors. 7 is not a factor which is common to both, so this is non-common factor, and this is 11,200. This is 11,200 because 2 raised to power 6 into 5 square is 1600. We multiply it by 7, we get 70, 0, 70, again 0, 7, 6 are 42, then 4 is carried, 7, 1 is 7 and 4, 11,200. That is LCM of the two numbers. This is one of the methods. Another method is long division method. (140) and 1600. We have to find the HCF of these two numbers. We are using the long division method. We take the greater number as dividend and a smaller number as divisor. Then we divide it. 140 1 times 140. This is 200. Again 1 time 140. Now 60 is the remainder. When the remainder is less than divisor, we take this as a new divisor and the previous divisor is used as a dividend. We divide it again. 60 2 times 120. 20 is the remainder. Now we take this remainder as divisor and the divisor 60 as dividend and divide it again. 23 times 60, remainder is 0. When the remainder comes out to be 0, the divisor in the last step is the HCF of the two numbers. Divisor of the last step, when remainder comes to be 0, this divisor is the HCF of the two numbers. This is long division method. Next is finding HCF using Euclid's algorithm. HCF may also be obtained by using Euclid's algorithm. Find HCF of 148 and 5, 6, 2, 0 using Euclid's algorithm. In fact, this Euclid's algorithm is nothing but the long division method in which different steps are written in the form of a algorithm. We first use the long division method as we have used in the previous problems. We have to use the long division method to find the HCF of the numbers. We divide 5620 by 148. This is 3 times. We multiply 148 by 3. Triple 4. 118. Now we copy 0. And now we multiply it by say 7. Now we subtract this 1036 from 1180. This is 4. This is 4. 1. Now we divide this 148 by 144. This is 1 time 144. 4 is left. Now 144 is taken as dividend. So last divisor is the HCF. Now we can write this in the form of an algorithm. We know by Euclid's division lemma, A that is dividend, is equal to BQ plus R, where B is divisor, Q is quotient and R is the remainder. First we write 5620 is equal to 148 into 37 plus 144 remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In the next step, this is the dividend and this is divisor. So 148 may be written as 144 into 1 plus remainder 4. In the next step, 144 may be written as 4 into 36 and remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, the divisor in this step, that is 4, is HCF. So HCF is 4. Therefore, the HCF of 148 and 5620 is 4. This sort of presentation is called Euclid's algorithm. This is a step-by-step process used in long division method to find the HCF of the given numbers. Now, suppose we have to find the HCF of more than 2 numbers. Let it be 3 numbers. Find HCF of 48, 576 and 2520. We first find the HCF of 48 and 576. So 576 taken as dividend and 48 as divisor. One time this is 48, 9, 6. 48 2 times 96. So HCF of 48 and 576 is 48. HCF of 48 and 576 is 48. Now we take 48, the HCF of the 2 numbers, and this third number, and find their HCF. 2520 48. This is 5 times. We divide it again. This is 2 times 96 and this is 24. Now 48 is the dividend and divisor is 24. 24 2 times 48 and the result is 0. Thus we can say HCF of 48, 576 and 2520 is 24, the last divisor over here. This is how we can find the HCF of more than 2 numbers.